Hi everybody and greetings. I'm Matty Miguel Francia and welcome to the Disney Movies Blog TV channel. Today I'm going to show you on what you get when you unbox Walt Disney 101 Dalmatians, the Walt Disney Signature Collection Blu-ray Combo Pack. Here it is. Here's what the front cover looks like. It has Pongo, Perdita, Cruella De Vil in her car, Lucky, the girl puppy, Colonel, and Tibbs on the front cover on it. So, here's the spine and the back. Here's what bonus features you'll get. You'll get, in Walt's words, 101 Dalmatians, Cruella De Vil, Mark Davis's last animated character, color and line, the visual design of 101 Dalmatians, the further adventures of Thunderbolt, behind the scenes, classic bonus including redefining the line, the making of 101 Dalmatians, Cruella's lost role, and more. You'll also get English, Spanish, and French audio and subtitles language tracks. And you'll also get the Movies Anywhere digital movie activation code. You should use it to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and Muppets movies on the go, like on the road trip. Let's unbox this movie. Here's Walt Disney 101 Dalmatians, the Walt Disney Signature Collection Disney Blu-ray disc. And here's Walt Disney 101 Dalmatians, the Walt Disney Signature Collection Disney DVD disc. And here's the Movies Anywhere digital movie activation code. You should use it to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and Muppets movies on the go, like on the road trip. This is what the backside of it looks like. Thank you for watching this video and please give it a like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.